watched my grandpappy die every single day as the lightning racked his mind. My mama tried to be so tough, but every passing thundercloud kept getting rough. Good Lord, I want the best for him, to see him heaven sent, 'cause those of us on earth are spent. Mama's in the kitchen crying to herself, Daddy's out there on the porch praying for help. Me, I guess I'm doing fine, keeping track of time, waiting for the lightning to strike. The lightning strikes twice. He was a giant in my mind, to see him brought so low killed me inside. But that's the passing of time. The young man gets old, nature isn't kind. Good Lord, I want the best for him, to see him heaven sent. Those of us on earth are spent. Mama's in the kitchen crying to herself, Daddy's out there on the porch praying for help. Me, I guess I'm doing fine, keeping track of time, waiting for the lightning that strikes. Lightning strikes twice. Good Lord, I want the best for him, to see him heaven sent, as those of us on earth are spent. Mama's in